Project Hydronaut 1, European Underwater Experimental Station and Scientific Laboratory. The Project Hydronaut 1 provides unique experimental facilities in Europe, available for European scientists, and training center for astronautical activities of all member states of European Space Agency. The Hydronaut 1 station will be used for medical, biological, physiological, and psychological research, training astronauts, testing equipment, and people in long-term stays below the surface in a confined space. Equipment design is based on the technology and scientific knowledge readily available. On this underwater platform can be tested and exercised the procedures applicable for spaceflight, space station equipment, parts, and components. Research in scientific areas related to long-term missions can be carried out in this suitable environment, simulating some specific aspects of the future manned missions to the Moon or to Mars. Astronaut training in cooperation with the European Space Agency will be seeked upon to address the relevant experiments and the usage of this platform for European Space Agency's own projects. Hyperbaric medicine, methodologies focusing on medical, physiological, and psychological research. Physiological adaptation to isolated and restricted environment. Monitored sleep and circadian rhythm. Studying group dynamics and leadership, alternative to Mars 500. Livability and psychological countermeasures. Addressing high risk and stressful situations. Psychophysiology. Medical procedures performed remotely using surgical robots. Biological. Closed artificial ecosystems. Hydroponic cultivation of plants, production of oxygen and food. Behavior of animals for research purposes. Station will allow implementation of a broad range of programs and experiments in simulated conditions.